Hi, are you new to writing ad copy for digital marketing campaigns? Writing ad copy that actually converts can be challenging. But don't worry, we've got a proven framework that works. There are 4 essential steps to this framework. Start off with a strong hook, then highlight the benefits or the unique selling point. Follow this by a second hook to prompt action, and finish it with a clear call to action. Let's go over these 4 steps individually to understand them better. Step 1. Start with a hook. The first thing your ad needs is a compelling hook, something that will grab attention immediately. This should be relevant to the services you're advertising. For example, let's say the ad is for acne scar treatment. You can use a hook like, struggling with acne scars? Pico Laser can help you achieve smooth skin fast. This hook is effective because it addresses the pain point of the target audience and also gives them a glimpse of what to expect. For step 2, showcase the benefits of the services or the unique selling points of the business. This is to highlight why they stand out from other competitors. What makes them unique? It could be years of experience, a high success rate, or positive patient testimonials. Some examples include over 20 years of experience in dental care, or done by a certified and experienced doctor, or over 800 happy patients treated successfully. Your goal here is to build trust and credibility. Patients want to know they're in good hands. Now let's move on to step 3. Add a second hook to keep them interested. People often hesitate before making decisions, so we use a second hook to avoid regret and create a sense of urgency. This could be a limited time offer, no hidden costs, or exclusive deals. This taps into the fear of missing out and encourages patients to act fast. For example, you can use phrases like limited slots available, book now before it's too late, or no hidden costs, what you see is what you pay. To finish up your ad copy, end with a strong call to action, often referred to as CTA, along with the location of the business. This tells potential patients exactly what to do next, whether it's calling, messaging, or visiting the clinic. Some examples include WhatsApp our clinic in Shah Alam to book your session today, or visit our dental clinic in Shah Alam for a free consultation. The key here is to never assume they know what to do. Make it as easy as possible for them. And that's it. This is the framework we use to write effective ad copy for our clients. Feel free to use ChatGPT or other AI tools to assist you when writing ad copy. Just remember to avoid generic statements when prompting. Be more specific and feed it as much information as possible. For example, let's say you need to run an ad for hair PRP treatment. Instead of just typing, write me an ad copy for hair PRP treatment, get into the specifics. Here is an example prompt. I run an aesthetic clinic called ABC Clinic. The clinic specializes in hair PRP treatment. Our treatment is done by a certified and experienced doctor with 15 years of experience. Our doctor has treated over 300 happy patients. I would like to run an ad to promote our hair PRP treatment. The package costs 800 ringgit. Normal price was 1,200 ringgit, and it comes with 3 sessions. Write me an ad copy for this. To get the best results, you can also tell the AI tool to ask you questions. Just type in "ask questions" to make your answer better, and then answer all the questions listed down by the AI tool. Don't forget to add some appropriate emojis where necessary, and you're all set. Here is a sample ad copy that uses the framework effectively. It starts with an enticing hook to grab the viewer's attention, followed by a list of the business's unique selling points. In this case, it highlights what the customer can expect from their visit to the clinic. Then we see the second hook, which creates a sense of urgency with the phrase, limited slots available. Finally, it ends with a clear call to action. Note how the clinic locations are also included for the viewer's information. Master these steps, and you'll be able to craft high-converting ads for our clients in no time.